Hi, my name is Alyssa Giroux. I am a theater arts major and I am a freshman this year. I took this course in order to satisfy my natural science for my Fredonia foundations, and because out of all of the natural sciences, I did excel the most in biology. So when I saw that it was open, I definitely wanted to take that one. Um, After college, I am planning on looking for a job. I would prefer to work in Disney because I am planning on doing the Disney internship program through Fredonia. So hopefully that goes well and I can work in Disney. That'd be really fun. Um, I do prefer hands-on learning compared to other learnings. I don't mind taking notes. I do like having them because when it comes to studying and tests and stuff, it is a lot better for me to have notes sitting in front of me that I have written. So I don't mind doing that, but I am more of a hands-on learning person. I am usually an active person in class. I do like answering. It makes me feel better about myself. And it also helps me focus a lot more. Um, I'm usually very bad about studying. I usually don't ever study, so bad me. But the biggest challenge with an online course like this is definitely me being able to focus because I sometimes am not very good at focusing on things that I should be focusing on. So that's the biggest challenge with any online course for me. Freshman year was the last time I took biology in high school, but the last general science I took was chemistry, and that was my junior year. Um, I did well with ecosystems and the human body when I did take biology, so I would say that those would be my two favorites out of the unit. And two fun facts. My first one is my favorite movie is The Greatest Showman. I saw it New Year's Day, when it came out, and when the movie was over, I walked out of the movie theater and instantly bought the soundtrack for it and listened to it for like 3 weeks on end until my family watched it, and then they were like, "Oh my god, I love it!" And I was like, "Haha, you're welcome." And then my second favorite fun fact is I am such an Iron Man nerd. It's not even funny. I just bought a new pop figure today that I'm obsessed with, literally in love with him. He's my favorite Marvel superhero in general, and because I love him so much, he is one of the reasons I want to work for Disney, because then I can work in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, and I would love to be a part of that. So yeah, that's just a little bit about me. I look forward to this semester and everything we're gonna do. Thanks.